Welcome back, students. Today at Pragati Little Genius Play School's YouTube channel, we're back with a fun new English topic that will help you speak smarter and clearer. Let's learn how to use a and in English. A and are called indefinite articles. We use them before naming words, also known as nouns. We use a before words that begin with a consonant sound. Examples: a cat, a book, a pencil, a dog. We use an before words that begin with a vowel sound. Examples: an apple, an elephant, an umbrella, an igloo. Quick tip: it's not about the first letter, it's about the first sound. For example, an R starts with a vowel sound. A university starts with a U sound, a consonant. Let's practice. Fill in the blanks with a or an. What comes before orange? A or an. What comes before zebra? A or an. What comes before egg? A or an. What comes before table? A or an. Let's check your answers. An orange, a zebra, an egg, a table. Great job, learners. Now you know how to use a and correctly. Keep practicing and speak English with confidence. Subscribe for more fun English lessons with Pragati Little Genius. See you in the next video.